Hello friends, welcome to Sunita's Cuisine. Easy homemade food that is delicious and divine. Hello friends, today I am going to share with you a very easy and quick way to prepare eggplants which taste so yummy at the same time. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 large eggplant, rice flour for coating, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon paprika or chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, salt according to your taste, and oil for frying. I am using olive oil for frying. First, cut the eggplant into semicircles. Next, prepare the spice mix: turmeric powder, coriander powder, chilli powder, cumin powder, salt. Mix everything together. Next, coat the eggplants in the spice mixture till it is fully coated. Then coat it with the rice flour. Individually coat them and keep them aside. In a frying pan, add some olive oil and start frying the eggplants. The eggplants absorb the oil as they are frying, so replenish the oil as needed. Fry till they look tender and you see the oil starts to release from the eggplant. Drain on a paper towel. The delicious eggplants are ready to serve now. These eggplants take hardly 20 minutes to prepare and cook. It can be a good side dish to serve with the rice or can be had in a wrap with some mayo or veggies of your choice. This dish is a great alternative for vegetarians as it tastes even better than the meats. Friends, if you try this recipe at home, please leave a comment in the comment section. If you enjoyed my video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you and God bless you.